Welcome to a world of tomorrow. This is the first of many courses we will offer. Understanding Yourself and Others is a 4-week mini course designed to help you transform your thinking. It's imperative as an educator, a person in the private sector, and human being that we begin to understand how our similarities and differences influence our understanding of one another. You will begin by doing a reflective activity focused on who you are today and how you became that person. You will then interview someone who's culturally different, analyze the information you've gathered, and reflect on the process. I will provide you with tools and language along your 4-week journey that will be helpful in your transformation. You'll have access to other students in the class so you can bounce ideas off one another and share aha moments as they occur. You will also have access to me during the course to ask any questions you may have along the way. Join this course to make new discoveries and to perhaps find a new you.